you everyone for being here tonight. Friends from the media, truly appreciate all the positive spins you're putting on everything. It's amazing. To the Tanduay team for making this event happen. You guys work extremely hard and extremely inspired to be part of the team. Thank you, PAL, for letting us use such an important venue, such a historical venue for the family and for all the companies. We really couldn't have done this without every single one of you guys. And of course, to the new 2025 calendar girl, Kim. Thank you so much and truly inspiring us with the themes of the night, being powerful, beautiful, and just courageous in general. So thank you again. We dedicate this cheers to you and to Tanduay. Thank you, everyone.
Cheers, everybody! Cheers to Tanduay and cheers to Kim. Alright, thank you, Mr. Lucio and Carl Tan, and likewise to our Tanduay executives, Attorney Carlo Fernandez, Mr. Gary Ong, Mr. Paulo, Mr. Jonathan Yap, Mr. F.A. Santos, and Ed Sophie. Okay, mukhang naka-warm up na ang lahat. We were able to have a few drinks. Kim, masarap?
Yes, mainit.
Mainit, hindi. Kasi init po ni Kim Chiu. Alright, and this is one of the, I would say this is one of the exciting parts of the program. Okay, because now we will be opening the floor to our friends from the media. Kim, please have a seat. So, eto na. Please feel free to ask our Tanduay calendar girl about her journey and what it means to represent the brand. Kim, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Nakapag-stretching ka na?
Stretching and nakasip na rin ako ng Tanduay.
So, mainit-init na.
Let's do this.
Okay. Ang painitin natin ngayon, yung upuan mo naman.
Yes.
Hot seat down. Okay, I know we have questions from the media. Ready na ba ang ating media friends to ask the first question? Okay, ito yung mga
Gusto ko yung may papel dito sa harap.
Ayan yung nahulog kong papel kanina. Okay. Alright. I believe our first question is coming from Miss Abigail Adriatico from Manila Standard. Miss Abby, you can make your way here to the front of the stage so we can ask him the question up close and personal. Grabe. Alam niyo si Kim Chiu, kung akala niyo, sobrang ganda.
Totoo ba yun? Kaya mahal na mahal ko kayo.
Cute. Okay, ito na. Hi, Miss Abby. Miss Abigail.
Hello po. So, I just want to ask, so what was your initial reaction when you found out that you have been chosen as the Tanduay calendar girl for 2025?
Alright, first of all, good evening everyone. Thank you for being here tonight. I am Kim Chiu and I'm your Tanduay Calendar Girl 2025. My initial reaction, of course, I'm shocked and I asked myself if I'm ready to do this. Kasi syempre, a lot of people know me since Big Brother House. So I grew up in front of everyone's eye. Not everyone siguro, pero most of the people. So they've known me and I grew up in front of their eyes. And I think it's about time na rin for me to do this. And I feel empowered, actually. I feel grateful to be the Tanduay Calendar Girl 2025. Kasi I feel like this is such a powerful moment for me. And this is a milestone I never thought early on my career days. Pero I believe that this is a testament of how much I've grown and how far I've come. Not only as an artist, as an individual, but most especially as a woman.
Nice! You're good, Miss Abby. Thank you! Beauty queen!
Ready talaga ako. Keep on coming. Let's go.
Okay. Kim, are you ready for our second question?
Yes.
Okay, this one naman is coming from Miss Cassie Acantara from Manila Bulletin. Miss Cassie.
Hi, Kim Chiu. First of all, congrats on this Your first time mo to, and kaya mo ulit.
Yes. Ano to, Bakas ni Juliana, if you watch Din Lang. Yes, this is her.
So since this year's theme is about aura, for you, how would you describe aura as an artist?
Aura is, para sa akin, it's a celebration of individuality and authenticity, I think. Kasi we all have different types of beauty, we all have different types of confidence, and lahat naman tayo, we all have our own struggles that we hide, and it exudes sa confidence natin. And for me kasi, yung pagiging resilient is a number one for me. Kasi no matter what life throws you, you end up standing up. So I'm here, despite all the challenges that I face. I'm here in front of everyone else, smiling, standing as your Tandoy Calendar Girl. So isa to sa mga bagay na I never thought I would be doing in my career. Kaya this is such a big step for me, and I'm very proud to be here in front of you. And that's my aura. Strong aura.
Follow-up question is, sobrang cute mo itong pininig with the, parang kang Victoria's Secret Angel. So, hindi mo na habang narapa ka dyan with the, parang Victoria's Secret.
Akala ko talaga Victoria's Secret model ako, but I'm proud to be a Tanduay model. So, feel ko talaga, sabi ko, hindi ako magsismile because I'm a woman. No, we all have different types of explanation of what a woman is, and that's who I am. I want to just enjoy every step of my journey that I'm experiencing right now. And I'm very lucky to experience all this sa buhay ko, sa career ko, and with everything that's happening to me right now.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Oh, how beautiful, Kim. Super deserve. All the blessings. So beautiful. Hindi naman beautiful lang yun sa akin ko. Beautiful yung answer.
You are beautiful too.
Thank you. Grabe guys. Galing kay Kim Chu. Kinilig ako. Okay. For the third question, can I please call on Miss Kathleen Go from Chinoy TV. Hi, Miss Kathleen.
Hello, Miss Kim. Can you share with us kung paano ka naghanda para sa photoshoot na to? And is there any memorable moment during the process?
Paano naghanda? Actually, if you follow me on my Instagram account, I always work out, parang physically, because parang endorphin siya, parang it makes me happy, it pumps up my day, but more than the physical paghahanda, it's more on the mental readiness that I'll be facing, lalo na ng pictorial namin, yung first suot ko ng damit na yung blue, parang, oh my God, am I really doing this? Am I a woman now? So, yun. So, more than physical, I really prepared my mental readiness if I am really ready to do this. Pero I'm very much ready naman, and here I am now with mga pictures, photos, and all. And I'm very happy with the outcome and how it went, and then what's the result. Sobrang worth it. Yeah, thank you so much, Tandoy, for the trust.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Kathleen. At kitang-kita naman talaga, Kim, yung pag-prepare.
Ayun, yung color blue. Ayun, yung color white. Diyos ko.
Wow! Kinabahan ka dyan? Were you
Yes.
nervous?
I am super nervous, pero mentally ready na ako kasi 2 or 3 months nag-prepare for that photo shoot. So thank you to my team for taking care of me and all, and to the Tanduay team.
Yeah. Meron ka bang favorite? Ako tanong ko lang, meron ka bang favorite photo?
Actually, isa yan sa mga favorite ko kasi nakahiga talaga sa mga flowers.
Ay, so it's
Yes.
malambot siya.
Yes,
Flowers.
and also, actually, 10 layout siya. Wow, sinabi ko na kasi 4 naman. So 10 siya, and then yung favorite ko, isa din yan. Sa mga, actually lahat, iba-iba. So I'm very excited for you to see it.
Yay!
Na-proud na
Congrats! Congrats, Sal! Pinaghirapan mo yan, Sal! Okay! Our next question is coming from Mr. Bob Reyes from Manila Bulletin. Sir Bob, your question, please.
Yeah, hi Kim. You mentioned about empowerment. I'm here. Okay, so you mentioned about empowerment, and women look up to you as their role model. So, and what will be your message to them?
To all the women, who look up to me,
yeah, role model.
to all the women out there, I think this is a reminder that there's no dream that is too big, no milestone that is too far. And may saying nga sila na success is not just about where you've been, but where you're willing to go. And that's my definition of success. To keep going and never stop. Pwede mag-stop for a while, rest, and just keep going and reach for your dreams. Kasi minsan akala mo, eto ka na. Parang, I've reached my peak, ito na yun. But life gives you a lot of surprises na parang, wow, meron pa pala. So never stop dreaming, never stop believing, and just keep going.
Thank
you.
Thank you, Sir Bob. Kim, would you say that this is the biggest surprise of your year?
Yes, of course. I want to end my year and to start the year next year with a bang. So this is it.
Yes, very nice. Okay. Now, Sir Ron Lim from GMA will be asking a question. Go ahead, sir.
Hi, Kim.
Hello.
So, this isn't just any calendar, it's the Tanduay calendar. So, ang laking history behind it. So, what was challenging for you to embody dun sa Tanduay calendar girl aura? And paano mo na-overcome yung challenge na yun?
Challenge? Actually, it's not a challenge talaga. Because Tanduay is an iconic brand that's been with each and every Filipino celebration. So, birthday, Christmas, or wala, normal lang. Everyone knows Tanduay, and it's very iconic, and it's been with us years na, and it's been known not just locally but also globally. And I'm very grateful to be representing Tanduay this 2025 because I believe I myself is also an icon. Sumobra yung pag-inom ko. So, yun, I am very happy to represent Tanduay, one of the iconic brands here in the Philippines.
Pero wala namang apprehension on your part kasi talagang departure na may tuturing this calendar for you.
Siyempre, meron pa rin doubts kasi hindi naman 100% confident. Yes, yes. Siyempre, the people on social media, they have a lot of comments, good, bad, or anything. Everyone's valid with their opinions. Pero I am just very happy that my supporters, my fans, the people who love me, who support me, they've been going to cry, they've been there with me from the beginning until now. So I'm happy. Happy to have all of them kasi alam ko talaga lagi nila ako pinagtatanggol and support and never thought I don't know.
Thank you.
You're